Today I'm going to show you how super easy it is to make your own DIY simple sugar scrub. You can use it before or after shaving. I love to use it at the same time. So use it for instead of your shaving cream for really nourishing and lavishing your skin, and also after. You're going to absolutely love this super easy DIY. Let's go ahead and get started. So for this recipe, what you're gonna need is some white sugar. We recommend the raw is better, and the bigger granules are better than the very super granulated ones. If you don't have the bigger granule or raw, that's okay, use whatever you have. But we always recommend the least processing is always the better way. We're also gonna need some brown sugar. Again, we're looking for the little bit bigger granules, but whatever you have on hand will work as well. I love combining the brown and white sugar because they clump together, so you're gonna get a better result with that. And then a little bit of a mason jar. I like using this size. I think it's 3 cups. It works for about a month's amount, so you're gonna love that. Okay, and then you're gonna need a carrier oil. Remember, a carrier oil can be anything like a coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil. Any of those are wonderful. Today I'm gonna be using doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. What I love about it is that it's always liquid, and they've taken out the fraction, that's why it's called fractionated. They've taken out the fraction that makes it go rancid and can stain your clothing and your sheets. So I love that doTERRA's doesn't do that. So that's the one I'm gonna be using. And then about 10 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oils. Today I'm going to be using peppermint, tea tree or melaleuca, lavender, and a little bit of ylang ylang. So I'll do 2 to 3 drops of each of those oils today in my blend of choice. Now these oils, they're great for nourishing of the skin. They smell amazing and also will get you the super soft, shiny look on your legs that you're looking for. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to make it. So whatever container you're gonna choose, what we're looking to do is about half of it will be the white sugar, a quarter of it will be the brown sugar, and then the last quarter will be your carrier of choice. And then on top, you'll be able to put your about 10 drops of essential oils on top, mix that together, and there you go. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to make. So we're gonna be using 1 cup of the raw sugar. Okay. All right, so about half of that, right? And then, so that was 1 cup, and then I'm doing a half a cup of brown sugar. All right. All right, there we go. And then your carrier of choice for me is coconut oil. So about 1/4 of a cup of the coconut oil. Remember, again, you can use grapeseed oil, olive oil, jojoba, I love that. Any of those are great for skin, especially in the winter time. You're going to love this. You just put that on top, okay? Really easy. And then again, lavender, I'm gonna do about 3 drops. 3 drops of ylang. I love that floral smell, smells so good. 3 drops of tea tree. Tea tree is excellent for all things skin. It's antibacterial, very nourishing to the skin. And then peppermint. I love that little cooling sensation that you're gonna get. I love that on my skin. All right, so there you go. That's it, easy enough. You're gonna be able to mix this together and just scoop it out. You can use this for your shave and also for after. Make sure you post below and let me know what was your favorite part. I love this easy DIY that you can use for a simple sugar scrub. I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification. We'd love to hear from you below. What was your favorite part? Also, if you are new to our channel, we would love to hear where are you watching from. We'd love to get to know you better on your essential oil journey as well. So be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification so you can find out about future content on this amazing channel. So next time we'll be talking about what if you're feeling a little bit sluggish, maybe after the holidays you ate a little bit too much or maybe had a little bit too much alcohol and maybe your body needs a little bit of a detox. We'll be talking about a gentle detox on our next video. Have a great day.